Google, turn off alarm. Hey, good morning guys. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully amazing. And today I'm gonna show you a day in the life as a part-time worker in high school. So hopefully you guys bear with me through this video and let's get this day started. Alright, so in the morning I'll just check out my phone, you know, check all of my social medias, all of my text messages, you know, all of those daily stuff, and then I'll go online and I'll check out my work schedule. And today I have a really easy work schedule. I only have 3 hours of work today, so basically I try to like limit myself against work life and education life. So I usually only work on the weekends and occasionally on a Friday, like 12 to 15 hours per week, which is a pretty good balance for me because I don't want to get too overwhelmed with schoolwork and then too overwhelmed with work life. So I think right now I'm at a steady pace, which I'm glad because like I'm just a sophomore in high school and it's good that I'm taking it easy for now. But maybe, you know, I don't know, it might up to a little bit more, it might change in the future. Right now I'm pretty good at a steady pace. So my work starts at 4 and currently it's 9. So let's just start my everyday life, you know. Let's go guys. Whoop. Casual. Oh, hello guys. So since we're getting ready in the bathroom, you know I have to play some music to kill some time. So let's do this. Today I'm going to eat a bagel with vegan cream cheese because I'm a vegan YouTuber now. Oh my god, it's almost burnt. Oh my god. Oh my god. We love a burnt queen. Oh. Alright, now that I have my bagel ready, I just usually just go on my phone, watch some YouTube videos, you know, just scroll through Instagram and stuff. Pretty boring, so I'll just catch you guys in a bit. So yeah. Alright, hey guys, it's been a few hours later and right now it's probably time I should get some drinks. I also did a poll on Instagram, hold up. So I did a poll on Instagram and it said if I should get Starbucks or boba, and it said 75% boba, so I guess I'm getting boba, and I love boba honestly. So there's so many boba places and there's a Starbucks right near my house and there's like a few boba places near me, so I don't know which one I'll get. Maybe I'll get Ding Tea, maybe. If you guys know what that is, it's pretty popular around where I live, so I might get that. So I'm just gonna change a little bit, probably gonna wear the same t-shirt, maybe just put on some, wear some jeans or something, I don't know, something like that. And yeah, let's change. Ooh. Why hello there, oh my god. I look so good. Oh my, okay, so hold on, let me get some jeans. You know what, just to be extra, I'm just gonna put on my fake glasses and I look, oh, yes, I know. I'm good looking. So I'm probably just gonna get my skateboard and I'm gonna skate over to the nearest boba place. I'm so indecisive, do I even want boba? Yeah, I do. Okay, see you guys on the road. Oh, I got enough. Hey. Let's go. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Whoa. Oh crap. Let's go. Oh my god.
I've been talking to your answer phone. Don't you let me down. All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head. Cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget.
I got it. Ooh, it's so purple. Oh, the worst lighting. There you go. Yes, I got it. Taro milk tea with boba. I love. This is my go-to. Yes. I'm low-key mad because I didn't have exact change. I was like 3 cents off. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Can't do this with... Oh my god. Okay. Alright, hey guys, so I'm about to get ready for work, and I work at John's Incredible Pizza, so like they have like their uniforms there. There's like 4 different colors. I'm a party host, so I wear the blue shirt. So yeah, I actually really like my job. Honestly, people say, how's my job and everything? What I do is like I entertain kids. I like host the parties. Sometimes I do other stuff, but I mainly just host the party. And it's really fun if you're really patient with kids, because you know how kids can be like, you know, a little bit annoying, a little bit crazy, but you just have to be patient with them and really good with them. And then you have to like socialize with the adults as well, but not too much, you know? So that's just my job. I actually really like it, and I get tipped a lot too. So for this job I have to wear a hat, and I do not look good in hats, but you know what, I'm gonna make it work. I also wear an apron, the blue shirt, and I wear some slacks and a belt, and I look so good in these slacks. They're like, I also have to wear a watch, and I wear my rings because I'm just extra, so yeah. The hat is a look. So yeah, this is my outfit. Hello, I work at John's Incredible Pizza. Do you want any balloon animals? I would glad to make you some. I can make a sword, a flower, and blah blah blah. Yeah, that's what I say like every day. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in like 3 hours after my shifts. So I'll update you guys in a bit. Alright, I think I'm ready. I'm actually kind of excited to go to work. I know that's kind of weird, since just as like, you know, a party person, but like it's not like the worst job in the world, honestly. It's not like super fun, but like it's not bad. Like I don't hate it. So yeah, I'm super excited. So let's go. I wish it was longer though. I wish it was more than 3 hours, because I'm a broke bitch and I need some money for, you know, my future. But you know what, 3 hours is enough for me. Minimum wage job, let's go. Oh my god guys, okay, just got back from work. Oh my gosh, here, let's move the camera. There you go. Honestly, when I come back home from work, I'm usually like super tired, but right now, honestly, I'm not that tired. Honestly, maybe because I had such a chill, sorry, I'm chewing up. Maybe it's because I had such a chill party. I had like 1 mom and like 10 kids, so it was like really chill. They were really laid back, all Vietnamese kids, so you know, I could relate to them. So yeah, it was really fun. I also made this really cute flower. Like, look at this. It's like perfect, like that's like perfect symmetry. Like geometry, who? Like why did I even fail geometry? Honestly, like I think I deserve an A for this. Like, ooh, so cute. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna conclude this day in the life work edition, because honestly after this I would usually just play my Nintendo Switch, shower, just eat a little bit, and then like go to bed. Like that's a typical work day. Usually I have like longer work days, but since today is such like really chill and laid back, I'm not really doing much. I might like go eat with my family soon, but that's probably it. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this day in the life work edition at John's Incredible Pizza, I'm hoping I can like have this job for like maybe when I'm done with high school. Like it's pretty like a good job. Like I really want to focus on education. That's why I don't want to like get too many hours, and this is like perfect. It's like a minimum amount of hours I get. So yeah, I like it much. I like it so far. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'm trying to get back into YouTube. I really do want to get back into YouTube. Like genuinely, I really want to be like an influencer. So if you guys have any video suggestions, let me know. If you have any more questions about my workplace, let me know down below, and maybe I'll do like a Q&A. Like maybe like I have so many like crazy work stories. Oh my god, I have so many story times. If you want me to do story times, I have the best story times to tell you about my work. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I really want to make more videos back at it, so don't forget to comment down video suggestions. So yeah, I'll read all of your comments. I think that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully. Okay, bye guys. I love you guys so much. Genuinely, I'm not being fake this time. Whoop, just kidding guys. I just want to tell you guys, before in the night, I have this mood tracker thing that I have. Oh, and also I got 10 bucks from my tips. I just wanted to tell everyone that, just breathing out there. Yeah, I got $10, so you know what, I just made up my 2 boba drinks. So yeah, I got this mood tracker. If you guys can see, like I've been feeling like pretty like unmotivated lately. Like, I don't know, I want this to mainly be purple, but right now it's like all yellow, and I don't know, I just feel I don't feel like I've achieved enough. Like I know I can't be happy like every single day, but like I want to like the portion of it to be like pretty good. But you know what, you can't please everything, but hopefully this can be like more purple, you know, more green. Yeah, more purple and more green, and I'll be happy. So yeah, I think that's it. I have to tell you guys, today it was a green day. It was a green day. I feel better because I'm like editing and stuff and recording, which makes me kind of happy. Honestly, I forgot how much YouTube made me like genuinely happy. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Okay, bye guys. I just want to say love you guys, of course. Not being fake again, of course.